if the president is saying, and he is very strong yung statement niya, no? Paulit-ulit na. Okay, he's not, no, he doesn't really agree on filing the impeachment. Pero karamihan ng kaalyado niya is doing otherwise. What does it say about his leadership?
Hindi ko nasasabihin yung word. Kasi iniisip niya na eh. Pero tama ka na the president is saying one thing, tapos hindi siya sinusuportahan ng mga kaalyado niya. Ang laki na nga ng tama sa trust, I assume ha, kasi tingin ko yung trust rating niya may connection din dun sa inability niya, kung totoo yung sinasabi niya, ay, wag na kayo, ano, at the end of the day daw, walang magagawa yung impeachment. Back to work na lang. Nag-leak yung text message niya na gano'n. Pagkatapos, hindi siya sinunod.
Kaya nga eh. So, either way, ano, walang magandang katutunguhan ito kay Presidente. Optics-wise, kung ifa-file pa rin ito ng mga kaalyado niya, then it will make him look weak. Diba? So, kung halimbawa at sabihin naman niya na, sige, ituloy niyo yung impeachment, what again, no? How will he look like? How will it look like na kaalyado niya rin yun? And again, maraming nagsasabi na kaya nanalo ang presidente because of their partnership, no, with VP Sara.
Ingratitude.
Di ba? So that's why I understand that he has to make a strong statement that he is against the filing of impeachment. Pero optics yan. Di ba? At the end of the day, ano ba talaga yung nangyayari on the ground? Kaya it can make it look like he is also insincere dahil nga pwedeng either he's weak or he is insincere. Iba yung sinasabi niya doon sa mga sa nangyayari doon sa likod na hindi natin alam.